Hey everyone, so today it's AM in Tel Aviv and I'm driving down to Sderot to help. This is basically pretty much on the border of Gaza. So as we're driving down, you see that's a bomb-proof shelter of some sort. It's coming across stuff like that. So we're in Sderot right now, and I gotta say it's like a ghost town. News is saying that there are around 2,000 people left here, and we're going to try and help, but it's definitely quiet. Like everything is quiet. Made it to the headquarters here. Lots of people are very busy trying to help, but there's not a lot of people here. Let's show you quickly the type of things that have been landing. Qassams, Qad missiles. I mean, the whole place that we've seen is a blown up car. So we just got here and I'm sitting here with Hallel. Hallel, say hi. Hallel's going to tell us what to do. She's here. How many people are in Sderot right now left? Around 5,000 people left. And she's here and she's going to tell us exactly what to do.
אנחנו בדרך כלל בסדרות 35,000 תושבים, היום נשארו בסדרות 5,000 תושבים שבוחרים לא להתפנות. עוברים דלת דלת, בודקים מי נמצא ומה חסר לו, ואנחנו כאן עבורם.
ומה אנחנו נעשה היום? אני והחברים שבאו להתנדב?
אתם הולכים לחלק סלי מזון למשפחות שנשארו, אוכל חם ומוצרים יבשים, ובמידת הצורך גם תרופות. בסדר גמור, תודה רבה. They've put us to work, and what we're doing is all these supplies we're putting into boxes, and then we're gonna put it in our car and get it to as many people as we can. We're stocked up. We've got a car full of boxes and stuff. Now we're going to start delivering them to people. We're about to deliver food. Just ringing on the doors. And then everyone gets a box. Some people get eggs, milk, cheese, and hot meals. So this is a box full of dry goods. That's what we're doing. Shalom. Shalom.
So basically, some of the people that are here stayed here because maybe we're in the house of someone whose husband is handicapped, so she stayed here. Rocket fell, took out an entire wall, and also hit the building inside. So what you do here, getting back to the car, what you do here is if you hear a rocket, we just saw a rocket like 5 minutes ago, you lie down, at 15 seconds you lie down, because when the rockets fall, shrapnel goes up, so you lie down. But taking a quick break to eat. Honestly, we haven't delivered that much because it's hard to find the houses, and there's no one to ask even in the streets. Now we're going into the truck. They have cooked meals, milk, cheese. We're going to pack them up and put them in the car for round number 2. We're delivering food to people here. Say hello.
Hey, hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sderot.
Right.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
We just randomly came across this. Hey, cat. This is, if you remember, on the day of the attacks, terrorists infiltrated Sderot and they took over a police station. 10 terrorists were killed, but they killed approximately 20 policemen. And this was a building, this was the police station in Sderot. And it's been since demolished by the Israeli forces, but this is exactly where it happened. Randomly driving around, and this is what I come across. So yeah, I don't know what not using disproportionate force means, but that's got to stop. Is there anyone here? It's like hardly anyone, and everyone who is here is in the houses. And even when we knock on the door to deliver the food, some people are too afraid because they're traumatized from the terrorist attacks, so they're staying indoors. And so you have to say we're volunteers from the town council. But the very few people who are here, they're like scared to. Some of them are very scared to come out. Okay, so we've delivered like around 2 or 3 loads of food. We're gonna head back to Tel Aviv now, but like we're all good, we're all empty. We're gonna head back home. Am Yisrael Chai.